guys, it's Tori. So today I'm doing my what I got for Christmas 2021. This is my 4th year doing this video, I think, but I love doing these videos and I love watching them. So Merry Christmas to everybody. This is kind of a bonus video for the week. I'm hoping to have this up as soon as possible. But my sister's getting married tomorrow on the 26th of December, so I'm maid of honor. So I have to go deal with that and go do my maid of honor duties and, you know, be a supportive sister. So I'm gonna edit this as soon as I can, get it up as soon as possible. So I'm hoping to get you guys 2 videos this week. I can't promise it, but I'm hoping. But with all that being said, Merry Christmas. I hope you guys had an amazing Christmas and you got everything you wanted. I am going to do a disclaimer. I do one every year. I'm not trying to brag. I had 5 Christmases because my parents are divorced. I'm grateful for everything I got. I'm not trying to brag. Let me know what you guys got down below. And with that long intro being done, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my face, and let's get started. Okay, so my Christmas break is split up really weird this year. So I was with my dad for the first few days, my mom for a week, and then I'm going back to my dad's for a few days. So we did my dad's Christmas early, but this morning I woke up at my mom's house, and I'm gonna show you what I got in my stocking to start. So this isn't from my mom, but from my grandma and my dad and my aunt and uncle. I got money, so I just put it all in here. And then I also got 2 Starbucks gift cards, one from my mom, one for my aunt for my birthday, and then my dad got me one, but I already put that one on my Starbucks app. Then into what my mom got me, I got peanut M&Ms, these really pretty false nail, a hand cream and lip gloss, my favorite chocolate, a bunch of razors to dermaplane my face, hair clips, a makeup brush cleaner, Reese's white chocolate trees, my favorite beauty sponges, more Reese's white chocolate trees, and a body scrub. So I do not have an order of who got me what. I'm gonna try and remember who got me what as I go, but I just have everything literally everywhere. There's just things everywhere. So I'm just kind of gonna grab things and we'll go from there. My first gift was the Revlon One Step Volumizer Plus. I wanted this so bad, and I'm so happy I got it. I used it on my hair today. I washed my hair and then I used it. My hair looked a lot better when I first got done, but that was 5 hours ago, I think. So my hair doesn't look as good, but it was also my very first time using it, so I'm gonna have to test this out. But I got that from my mom. Now we have a few things from my best friend Anna. She got me this Ariana Grande sweet candy pouch, the cutest pair of Victoria's Secret slippers, this super cute Ariana Grande shirt, and it has this on the back. I'm not really sure what this is from, but she's flipping it off in the picture, which is so freaking cute. And I got me some tanning stuff, tanning water and face drops. My mom got me this Bath & Body Works candle, and it's the scent Cinnamon Caramel Swirl. This is my favorite. This is so good. I wish you guys could smell it. I think I have 3 or 4 of these candles just backups because I love this so much, and the packaging is super cute. Also, don't mind my band-aid. My nails are in really bad condition, so my fingernails are literally trying to fall off. Yes, I'm a cosmetologist and my nails trying to fall off. We're not gonna even go there. They're just very unhealthy right now. My mom got me this super cute mini waffle maker, which I actually cannot wait to try. It's so cute, and it's red, which is my favorite color. My mom got me a pair of Nike Ebron lows, and these look very similar to Air Forces, but they're not Air Forces. I didn't want Air Forces, they're too basic, but I don't have any plain white sneakers, so they just look like this. They're super basic, very similar to Air Forces, but they don't have the foot breathage, you know what I mean? Super excited to have some just plain white sneakers. Super quick side note, I watched Emily in Paris in one day. That show's amazing. If you haven't watched it, please go watch it because I loved it so much. Back to the gifts. I got the cutest gift bag in the whole world. Oh, that is so cute. Okay, so in here, these are all for my mom. She got me the Jaclyn Hill Master Brightening Collection. This is the collection I mentioned in my products I want video. I think it was in October maybe. But this was out of stock for like basically the whole time ever since it launched, so I'm so glad I got that. The Jaclyn Hill Eye Master collection, this just has some eye brushes, and then this I'm so excited about. This is the Morphe and Jaclyn Hill just like carrying case thing. It looks like this. When you open it, there's like all this room for when you travel with makeup brushes. Now we're gonna do the things my boyfriend got me. He got me this. Oh, it's like, I can't believe he got me this. It's the Taylor Swift, Taylor's Version Red album, but not just any vinyl. It is the limited edition red record one. I don't want to take them out because like there's 4 records in here, but this is what the inside looks like. It's literally so freaking cool. I love it. He also got me this silver necklace. Normally I would be wearing jewelry, but it's like 10:30 at night, so I'm not right now. But it's just got his initial on it, and it's a little diamond necklace, and I love it so much. My mom got me 2 pairs of like just plain Aeropostale mid-rise leggings, just because my dog has put holes in literally all of my leggings. So it's really nice to, you know, have some new ones and freshen up the collection. This is the last thing Anna got me, and when I first saw this, I literally did not know what it was, which is so sad because it just looks like a varsity like hoodie, you know, like a college hoodie, like the college letters, if you know what I mean. But it says TPWK, which means treat people with kindness. It's Harry Styles. If you don't know, I love him so much. But it just looks like this, and it's so freaking cute. I love it. Okay, this is the last of the things my mom got me, and I just put all of the makeup in this huge ass Sephora bag. And when I tell you that this bag is full, like it's full of makeup. So I got the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. This is my go-to. The Natasha Denona Bronze Palette. I'm so excited to do this. I mean, to have this, I'm gonna take this with me to my sister's wedding tomorrow because I'm helping with her makeup and I have to do my own makeup. So I'm so excited to have this. The brand new Tower 28 Broad Spectrum SPF 30 Mineral Tinted Sunscreen. I got the shade Larchmont. I don't know, but I'm really excited to try this, and I do plan on doing a video testing all new products soon so I can use all this stuff. And then like I had packages come in from Black Friday just recently, so I really want to use those too. This is the Wishful Yo Glow Enzyme Scrub. I just got the mini one. I don't think I need a full size of something like that. The Glowish Soft Radiance Bronzing Powder in the shade Medium. I'm literally so excited to have this. The One Size Turn Up the Base Versatile Foundation Powder. This is in the side Fair 3N. Also very excited about this. The Glowish Blush Powder in the shade Berry Juicy. These are like so little, but I'm so excited to try it. I think that shade's gonna be beautiful. And then the Huda Beauty Easy Bake Loose Baking and Setting Powder in the shade Pound Cake, which I'm also very excited about. And then last, for beauty products, I have some things from Rem Beauty. Of course, my queen, my savior, love her to death. So I got the eyeliner, like the liquid eyeliner in the shade Midnight Black, the plumping lip gloss in the shade Utmost Importance. This is just the clear one, so I'm so excited. And then the Interstellar highlighter topper in the shade Miss Mercury. This packaging I will be keeping and putting on display because I do have an Ariana Grande display in my room because, like I said, she's queen. Like, she's literally right there. She's love of my life. Okay, now I have like a random mix of people. There's things from my grandma, my aunt, my dad, and my teacher, and my Secret Santa at school. So there's like all kinds of random things in here. So from my Secret Santa, I got Pringles. These are my favorite chips. As of probably this year, I eat these like they're going out of style. Like, I literally eat chips all the time when I'm like wanting a snack. Bailey's come and say hi. Say hi. Hi. I also got this candle for my Secret Santa, and she wrote like my name on it. I think it's vanilla or something. She took the sticker off, but yeah, I think it's just vanilla. My Secret Santa also got me this Friends mug, which, if you don't know me, Friends is my all-time favorite show, like literally ever. So I got this and I'm literally like, I love it. It's so cute. Do you see her? My teacher got each of us like our own blanket that she thought like reminded her of each of us. So mine is obviously red, and this is so soft. I actually need to take this out of the packaging. Maybe I'll do that tonight. I'll like play with it, but it's so soft and I love it. My aunt got me this super cute pillow. Like, it literally matches my lashes so perfectly. Like, how cute. Love. And that was for my birthday, because if you don't know, my birthday was in November and I haven't really seen my family since then. So, birthday gift. My aunt also got me this little like notebook to go with the pillow. My mom did get me a brand new iPhone. I don't have it like in my hand because I'm filming on it and I really hope the quality looks amazing. I got the newest iPhone, which is the iPhone 13 Pro Max, and so far I love it. And here's just my old phone right now, like the one I used to film on, which was the iPhone XR, but I did get a new phone and I'm so beyond grateful. So I got that, which is amazing. I love it. It has so much storage. Like, I can film so many videos, and like the camera quality just looks so good, and I'm so grateful that I got a new phone. So I know my mom's not watching this, but thank you so much. Like, I appreciate it literally so much. Like, I love my new phone. My grandma got me the Taylor Swift Evermore CD. If you don't know, I love Taylor so much. Taylor, Harry, and Ari are my favorite people in literally the entire world besides Jaclyn Hill. So I got this. So now my collection is almost complete. I have so many of her CDs. Everything else I got is from my dad. So he got me a new pair of Nike Pro spandex. These are red because my favorite color is red, of course. He got me the Ariana Grande Moonlight perfume. This is the very last one for my collection, so I'm like so excited to put this with every other one I have. Like, I literally have every one other than Frankie, which they don't sell anymore, but I'm so excited to add it to my collection. I got the Ariana Grande Sweetener album and also Dangerous Woman. I already have Christmas and Chill and also Positions, so I wanted those ones. Lastly, I just got some makeup wipes. So like I said, my dad did give me money and also a Starbucks gift card. So I think that's everything. I thought that this was going to take me a lot longer. I have like plenty of things that I've bought for myself as well, but I didn't think that I should include those. Like, if you guys want like a haul, like a winter makeup haul of like everything I've bought over the last few months, because I try and do one like every season. If you want that still, let me know. But that is everything, and I know it's a lot. I just thought that filming this would take a lot longer, but I just kind of was like getting to the point as best as I could. But I hope you guys had an amazing Christmas. I love you all to the moon and back, and I just hope that everyone had the best Christmas ever. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my face, and I will see you guys super soon. I love you all so much,